Hey guys, this is the Dinosaur Gaming Wolf here, just making a little announcement. It's gonna be a very short video. So the next, but the next few videos might not have any, you might not hear me talking at all, but next week, I should get I should be able to have the microphone that I can use to talk with when I'm recording properly on the PS4, not from my tablet, which is what I'm recording this video with right now. But it's gonna be better quality, and well, yeah. Don't unsubscribe when you find out that I'm not talking for for a few videos, but that's all I have to tell you. Bye.